Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So now in this video we're just going to see how to make y to this thing. So this thing is called as subscript in Google Docs. So how to do this, I just going to explain. So first of all I need a y2 and x2. So now I just going to type as y, then I need a subscript. So go to the format option, text subscript. It's down. Now I just want to type as x, but it's remain in the subscript. You just want to change to normal text, so you just need to click the format option, text, and again you just want to click on the subscript. It automatically changes to normal. Now I just type as x, and it's again I just need a 2, so I just going to the subscript and now adjust to. So by this option you can type as y2 x2. Try this on Google Docs now. Try this method, and if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel, like this video, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.